Zuri and Amani were walking along the riverbank when suddenly Zuri saw something sparkling in the water. "What is that?" Amani asked in surprise. Zuri bent down and saw a small golden stone glittering in the sunlight. "This must be the secret of the forest," Zuri said. Amani laughed and said, "Let's see where it leads us." They followed the trail of the stone and reached a beautiful hidden waterfall where the rainbow's light shimmered over the water. "This place is truly magical," Zuri said. Amani smiled and said, "This is the secret of the forest."